Good day, guys. Welcome back to another video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to analyze GERMANY40. Another name is also called GERMANY30, or depending on the type of broker that you might call it. So listen, it's a German index. If you don't know what it is, you can be sure to Google it. Other than that, let's get straight to the chart. As always, I'm starting on my 4-hour. So first thing that I do obviously is I zoom out. I look for market structure. So as you can see, this is a lot of price action right here, right? And you can see that the market has been in a bullish market structure, a very strong bullish market structure, but also at the same time it has very strong pullbacks. Like here, this is a push to the upside, then a strong pullback, push, pullback, push, pullback. As you can see here, this has been happening for a long time, like since last year, guess, with this major bullish market structure. So as I always say, make sure that you analyze the market that is closer to the current price. You understand? So that being said, let's make sure that we focus on that. So here, you can start from this point to this point here, or you could say that you can start from here to here. So which one is it? Okay, let's just start from here, and then after we highlight, then we can come and focus on this part. So first of all, we're gonna first highlight the most obvious higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so as always, start with my major ones. So make sure it's right there, and remember what I said, the most obvious ones. So the most obvious ones in this case would be from here. Okay, say from there, go to like your highest point. Highest point is here, lowest point is right about there. You understand? So this way it makes it much more easier, you understand, instead of trying to kind of like trade everything at once. Just make sure that you focus right here, and when you come back the next day, you're gonna restart your chart, analyze again. So that being said, yeah, then we'd have to come and highlight this high here, and obviously we'd have to use different color. As you can see, guys, you see where I'm getting with this. So kind of like that. Then also here we'd have another one, kind of like that. So remember to use the arrows. It should be here. This will be right there. So which means this one, if we do extend this kind of coming right about here, it would have to be what we call a fake breakout. So let's do it. All right, so it means that here you'd have a fake breakout. So remember, the goal is to make sure that we focus on this current price, or like we focus where the current price is. So although this is already moving, but it's good because I want you to learn so that you can know when like the next time comes, you know how to apply, you know what to apply. So again, from here we can like further try to analyze this portion here so that we can get to understand like what is happening here. So from this point to this point, or we can say between this high low and this high high, there's like a small market structure. Same thing here, there's like a small market structure. So you can look to capitalize off of that. Okay. Okay, I can try to mark also this. This will be high high, high low, high high, high low. Alright. Somewhat like that. Go from here, high high. It has to be at the highest point. So if we go from, okay, if it's at the highest point, then this one does not apply. Boom, boom. Go here, then yeah, then that makes sense. Can be sure to highlight. Okay, my bad. Just want to make sure that it's a bit smaller. And right there. So for the other ones, we're going to use different color. Just want you guys to understand this part here. So it means that from this between this higher low and this higher high, right? If we're focusing inside this small market structure here, the structure had been broken temporarily. Okay, meaning that temporarily we are in a bearish market structure. You understand? Hence why this market is selling this hard. So just continue to do this. Yeah. So yeah, which is there. Then I think right about here we might have something. Then all you have to do is just extend these guys. Extend my zones. Sure that is right about there. So now that this is what we have, yeah, let's maybe if we have another one, which I don't think we do. And yeah, this is it. Then yeah, this is what you have for GERMANY40 right here in terms of the market structure. Remember guys, the main structure is bullish. I just showed you a way here which you can do, right? Going inside or between the higher low and this high here, and then you look to trade inside here. Remember, another pointer here could be that whenever the market, let me just show you guys here, right? Let's say we have something like this. right? So what I want to show you guys here is this. I want to show you something here. So say that we have that and we have this. Okay, so in this case, this would be a this would be a higher high, this would be a higher low, a higher high. You understand? So another thing that you should always know is that the price, right? It's allowed to play around between this higher high and this higher low. You understand? As long as it does not break below this higher low, then the market structure will not continue. You understand? So what is happening here is like the market is pulling back. You understand? Sometimes the market can pull back maybe somewhere here, or it can pull back even here, or it could come here and do the pullback, and when it comes here it fails to break out, and then it still continues the market structure. You understand? So, and these things do happen a lot. You understand? Although you are used to seeing something like this, but just always know that the price can, you understand, as long as it does not break here. And this is the same thing if you are here, if you are on a bearish market structure. So yeah, this is a very, very important point, guys. So make sure that you get these points. So now I'm talking about here. So I'm talking about this. So okay, in this scenario here, this will be a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. You understand? But before we get to this, I want to focus on this lower high and this lower low. It means that the price, it's allowed to pull back, between this lower high and this lower low, as long as it does not break above here, then the market structure will change. You understand? So it's the same thing. Always make sure that you have this in mind, which is kind of the thing that we have right here. You understand? This is what's happening here. The main one is this one and this one. You understand? Don't get confused with the color here. I just wanted you guys to make sure that you understand what is happening here. You understand? So this is what we have. So I'm just gonna remove this. Just gonna remove this, guys. Then put this guy here. So hopefully you guys understand that point. So here I think we can look to add a trend line. Maybe it can help us out here to, but already the structure is clear here. You understand? This is in a bearish market structure. I'm just saying that the trend line could be of help. So as you can see, so here in this case, a trend line, okay, let me just fix this to make sure that it's a valid touch. Right there. So first touch, second touch. Then as you can see, the trend line here also is speaking to us. It's speaking to us. And the market is also respecting the trend line. As you can see here, it rejected here, also here it rejected. All those things mean if you were trading this yesterday, you probably would have caught the beautiful sells here. Then we can draw one last trend line. Yeah, then that's what we have. Then here, okay, it has to be the lowest point. It's to be the lowest point, which is right there. And this is something like this from here, lower low, lower high. So yeah, that's why I'm highlighting that. So this is what we have on German40, and we are currently in a bearish market structure. This is what I'm gonna say here. We are currently let's just say this. All right. This is what we have. We are currently in a bearish market structure. So yeah. So this is what we have on German40. And with that being said, guys, I hope you did learn a very, very valid, important point. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, turn on those notification bells. We'll be posting more and more videos. Remember, for more information on how to get entries, how to validate entries, how to scale in on trades, how to apply risk management, trading plans, we do have a mentorship for all those things. Make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms, mostly on Twitter. It's where we are mostly active with the frequent updates on news and all those things. So the links will be on the description below. And I'll see you on another video, guys.